Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and look at this cute packaging. Oh my goodness, I just love it. And there's a little ball of yarn that you can't see, but I think it's, yeah, so there's the rest of them. Isn't that just adorable? Oh my goodness. And this is from someone that I found on Etsy, and I watch her YouTube. They are girls in the Yarn Cafe. Is that right? Why am I not remembering right now? It's because I'm excited and I want to see what's in here. I ordered 2 skeins of yarn. It's a mother-daughter duo, and they both dye yarn. I ordered 2 skeins from each of them. This one is from the mom. Her name is Christy, and this is Yarn Cafe, and you can find her on Etsy at Yarn Cafe Creations, and I will try to remember to leave a link. If I don't, please kindly remind me. So sorry about the squishiness, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I got worsted weight yarn. This first one is, and it's called Mocha, is her DK weight. Oh, I think I said worsted. I don't know what the difference is between DK and worsted actually, but this is her DK weight, which is her Mocha blend, and it is Yarn Cafe Creations, and you can find her at yarncafecreations.com. Actually, she has a .com. I haven't gotten her daughter's yet. I ordered hers first. So this is from Christy. I believe her name is, and her daughter is Tristan, if I am remembering right. And they are the girls in the Yarn Cafe on YouTube, and they do a fun podcast, and she had some yarn that was based on some, I guess, haunted movies, and this one is from The Shining, and look at how pretty it is. And I don't know what makes her think of that when she sees this yarn, but something obviously does. It makes me happy, so I'm excited about it. I love all the different colors of blue and green, and then it goes into brown, and blue and brown together is just fabulous to me. And it even has that like periwinkle color. It is just gorgeous. And look at her cute little, has a ghost coming out at like the little steam. How cute. Oh my goodness. And this one looks like a pumpkin. A jack-o'-lantern. How cute. And this one is called The Ring. So, oh, and it is like probably, I would call it an ice blue with brown and green. I mean, you can see what my color palette was when I was looking. They would actually go very nicely together. And when you see them online, they are very true to how it looked online. And I was debating on whether or not to get like a purpley one. And I'm not planning on putting them together. But I really, really liked this color and this one. I couldn't decide which one I liked better. So that's why I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get both of them. Because if I like them that much, then just get them both. So that's what I did, and this again is the Yarn Cafe Creations, and thank you so much. I love it. I am excited. It's super squishy, and the hand dye yarn, I just think it's amazing how they can do that. So yeah, I am excited. This is very nice, very well done. I can't wait to knit it up. I don't know yet what it's going to be or what they're going to be in, but yay! Yarn Cafe Creations. Thanks so much, guys. Have a glorious day.